people? What's up? It's another day. It's another Saturday. And guess where we're going? To a beach. Another beach. We don't really have anything planned today, so we're going to go to a beach. A beautiful beach. It's nice though. It's going to be fun. Huh? Huh? What? We're just gonna wing it today. We don't have any plans. So we're gonna see what we can get into, cause we get into stuff. I am high on life. Subscribe, we'll have fun, cause we're gonna wing it. Wing it. It's a lot of energy. It's a lot of energy in the room. Let's go have fun. You ready? I'm gonna wing it. Oh yeah, make sure y'all subscribe too. Headed to the beach. But first, we gotta make a food stop. And what could that food be? I know it's blurry, y'all can't see it. But I got a slushie. I love this slushie. I'm okay. Let's go to the beach, guys. We finally made it. Oh my God, traffic is insane. But we finally here, and we're gonna see what we can run into. Oh my God, the water is absolutely beautiful. It's like it's crazy. I'm gonna show y'all. Look. What's up, guys? I'm gonna take you guys out in the water. You see the water? Isn't that nice? It's beautiful. Hope I don't drop this. Drop my camera. Don't, or you gonna owe me some money, man. Ooh, so nice, people. Oh, y'all should come out here with me. Here it is, Anna Maria. Beautiful, beautiful beach. See how green the water is? See my feet. This is what it's like where I live. If you're bored, you just come here. Beautiful. That's my boat right there. Now that y'all got in the water with me, I gotta take y'all back, man. I'm about to go swim. The water is extra warm and extra nice out here, dog. Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice section of the beach. We're gonna go to another part, relocate, maybe try to grab some food. It's a nice day. Let's go find another part of the beach we can go to. See if we got a pier, walk out there. We're on a new part of the beach. Looks like we've stumbled into a food truck festival and a market, but we're gonna check it out. Is that right? Mm-hmm. You right? You right? You gonna check out food? You hungry? You want some food?
I'm hangry.
You hungry? What's that?
I'm hangry.
Welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen.
Always stumbling on something. We are always stumbling into something, and that's why I like this area. Is, you know, you never know what you're gonna hit. So I'm glad that y'all with me, so we can just chill, see all the food trucks. We might eat something from there, I don't know, but we're gonna finish up, catch the sunset. Beautiful area, love it, beautiful. That's it, people. We're here watching sunset. It's starting to get chilly, getting kind of hungry. Today was just one of those random adventure days where we just go out and see what happens. And we ran into a nice little food truck festival. Nice beach, beautiful beach down here in Longboat Key. Beautiful beaches. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. Yeah, man. I got some trips coming up, man. We're about to go to Seattle, so that's gonna be a good vlog. Gonna go to Greece, gonna go to Africa. Yeah, boy. So Wakanda forever, people. So make sure you subscribe, man. We're gonna find some food. I probably won't end it right now, but yeah. You have fun?
Yeah, I had a blast.
What did you like the most about today?
I think it was the Anna Maria Island Pier, where it was like calm and quiet and there was hardly anybody there. The water was nice and calm and beautiful.
I'll let y'all sit with me and enjoy this sunset. It's getting chilly, so I'm gonna go eat probably. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. Alright, so I'm not gonna watch the sunset because it's cold, but y'all can see it's setting and it's pretty and I'm hungry. So I want some seafood or something. It'll be beautiful. It's good stuff. What if I put you in the water? Look at my guy right here smashing the watermelon. Look at him.